So we are all out of potatoes in the house, but luckily we grew some in the garden this year. So let's go harvest some of our potatoes. Look at this. I literally moved back the straw and there's these beautiful potatoes just at the base of this plant. Look at that. Some Adirondack blue potatoes. So I just wanted to give you guys a visual of how potatoes actually grow. They're literally just attached to the roots, and I just think they are so cool and beautiful. We harvested a total of 20 pounds of red Norland potatoes, 30 pounds of russet potatoes, and another 20 pounds of these beautiful Adirondack blue potatoes, giving us a grand total of 70 pounds of potatoes. So this is how we actually store the potatoes in these racks that we made last fall, and you can see they all fit in here so nicely. And we go through quite a bit of potatoes, so these will be gone very quickly, but they should hold and last out here for quite some time.